My name is Kelly, and I'm from Clearwater, Minnesota. Younger Exteriors worked on our home, our pool shed. They replaced all of our siding, our shingles, the soffit, and the fascia. This is the second time we've had hail damage while living in this home. Our first experience was years ago, and we had door-to-door people come by. Having little knowledge about the process, how it worked, the insurance companies, we made the decision to sign immediately. It was a poor decision on our part because, unfortunately, we signed the contract and the people who came to our house to fix the roof and the siding were subcontractors, and the original people that we met with when we signed the contract never returned. When we had the hail damage the second time, we did our research. We made sure that we investigated local companies, we looked at reviews, and ultimately signed with Younger Exteriors. The process between the first company and Younger Exteriors was completely different. As we worked with Younger Exterior, we sat down and we picked out all of the things that would potentially look right for this house based on our existing color schemes. And one of the best things was, as it all started to come together, to be able to see those little swatches be expanded onto the side of our houses and to watch it really all come together. If a neighbor or a friend asked me if I would choose Younger Exteriors, I would say absolutely choose them. Their quality of product, their communication skills, their outreach, their follow-through, their contractors, it was all exceptional.